Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable Dim's wallpaper on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, you can switch to the dark appearance by going to the settings first. And now you have to go to display and brightness here. I'm gonna open it right now and choose the dark option at the top of the screen. Now you have to go to the settings page again. Next you have to find wallpaper option. When you see it, just tap it. After, tap the button to the right of dark appearance Dim's wallpaper to turn it on. And here you are. That's it guys. As you can see now, it's successful. So I think it's enough. Just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.